Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is me Damsa and you are watching my talented YouTuber. It's Saturday and it's time for tech news. So by the time this video reaches your screens, TikTok might already have been banned in the US. So President Trump says he will ban TikTok in the US today. Probably by the end of the day, TikTok will have been banned, and the app will lose 70 million active users. And previously, from its ban in India, it lost 120 million active users, and now the total amount is like 190 million active users. That's a big hit the application it's taking. And previously it was trying to sell itself to other companies, but I think now it might not be possible. And because a lot of people downloaded the app to follow their favorite creators from these countries, and they won't be uploading anymore, so a lot of other users might also leave the platform. And addition to that, since US is banning this application, a lot of other countries might consider doing the same. So hard times for the application, and it's a huge chance for other application and other platforms to grow in this field of short videos. So let's see what happens. So another update is from Google. So Google Trust tokens are here to take on traditional cookies. So previously people were annoyed, browsers were annoyed that because of cookies, because they track user data, user activities. But now Google Trust tokens are here to replace them, and they plan to replace all the third-party sites with trust tokens. Now this will help the sites to prove that the users who are on the site are legitimate users and not bots, and they can use that data to show to their advertisers, and at the same time users will feel much safer. So another update comes from Apple. So Apple is now world's most valuable publicly traded company, passing Saudi Arabia's state-owned oil company Saudi Aramco. If I'm pronouncing it the right way, you can read the spelling over here. Now Apple is valued at $1.84 trillion, and the Saudi Aramco company is valued at $1.76 trillion. So that's a big achievement for Apple, and let's see what happens next. Facebook plans taking on YouTube, I guess, because they are also adding official music videos. So Facebook will also premiere some videos exclusively, including new ones from artists like J Balvin and Lele Pons. So till date, YouTube has been the #1 platform to showcase music videos worldwide. And now Facebook comes in, and they will be showcasing some exclusive videos. And they also said that Facebook will be a great platform for the artists to interact with the viewers, creating custom stickers for the music videos, doing live streams and interacting with fans. Facebook might prove to be a better platform for music video releases. So it will be great to see how these two platforms compare, and what happens next. So WhatsApp introduces new file size limit on animated stickers. So stickers have been on the platform for quite a while, and in June they announced support for animated stickers. Now they are introducing some new rules. So your animated sticker should not exceed the file size 1 MB, otherwise it won't be sent or forwarded. So you need to be really careful with the sticker size, and WhatsApp still won't support any third-party stickers. So that was it for today's episode of Tech News. So what do you think about these updates? Do let me know in the comments. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep watching my talented YouTuber. Bye bye.